Welcome. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to create and manage clinical cases using Ion Gel ZCM-25. You will learn how to access the 2+ Cations community, where you'll find essential protocols and manuals, and how to use the 2+ Cations support portal, the platform where clinical cases are created, updated, and monitored. All submitted cases are managed in compliance with HIPAA regulations and international standards, using encrypted fields for electronic protected health information (EPHI), to ensure the security and confidentiality of sensitive data. We will also guide you through editing cases, uploading evidence, and using the available communication channels, which include the case-related email, internal comments, and WhatsApp integration. To get started, access the 2+ Cations community through the web or the mobile app. Log in with your account or register using the invitation link sent to your inbox if this is your first time. To change the language within the 2+ Cations community, click on your profile icon, select Preferences, and then choose Language. From this menu, you can choose your preferred language, adjusting the platform to your selected option. This way you'll have access to all published articles and manuals, each displaying a translation icon. Within the Healthcare Providers group, you will find the Manuals section, which includes protocols, standard operating procedures, SOPs, and records of previous studies, all available in English and Spanish. You can also use the Analytics panel to filter and review case statistics. Within the 2+ Cations community, you will find the consent form used to register a new clinical case. When completing the form, it is important to enter the principal investigator's details, making sure to use the same email address used to access the community, as this ensures proper linkage of the information with your account. Fields containing sensitive patient information are protected and labeled under EPHI. Among the form fields, special attention should be given to those related to wound measurements, width, length, and depth, since these values are essential for detailed follow-up and monitoring of the case's progress in future consultations. The form also allows you to upload files directly through the attachment fields, enabling the submission of preliminary images or relevant documents related to the clinical case. Once submitted, the system automatically generates a case in the support portal with the information previously entered. From the portal, you can edit or update the case, add comments, and attach additional evidence. Once the case is created, the principal investigator receives an email notification with the case details. From that message, it's possible to access the case directly through a button that redirects to the support portal, or by logging in through the 2+ Cations community within the Healthcare Providers group, where you will find the My Cases option. You can also open the portal directly in your web browser by visiting support.2cations.com. Once inside the portal, proceed to log in with your credentials. The portal offers a multi-language option including Spanish. To enter your credentials, it is important to do so through the icon displayed on the screen. After entering your email and password, you will be able to view the created cases. Inside the portal, under My Area, you can view, edit, and update existing cases. Each form includes various data fields. Among these fields are those related to the treatment sessions or periods, representing the different wound care stages or follow-up visits of the clinical process. In each session, the wound measurements, length, width, and depth, must be entered. The system automatically uses this information to calculate the wound's area, volume, and the number of days elapsed between sessions, based on the recorded dates. For this reason, it is essential to maintain accurate and up-to-date data entry, as these values enable precise clinical tracking of the patient's progress. At the end of the treatment, there is a final evaluation field where the attending physician documents the case conclusions and the outcomes observed with the use of Ion Gel ZCM-25s. The portal also allows you to attach images as supporting evidence, which are automatically linked to the corresponding case. Now you're ready to use the 2+ Cations community and the support portal for clinical case management. Remember that the community gives you access to manuals, protocols, and the consent form, while the support portal is where cases are created, updated, and monitored. Use the available communication channels to share evidence and stay connected with the support team. Thank you for watching this video.